Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crumb cake donuts. They're baked vanilla cake donuts with a cinnamon glaze, a crumb topping, and powdered sugar sprinkled on top, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We'll make the crumb topping first. Melt the butter in a small saucepan. Then remove it from the heat and add in the brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. And then add in the flour. Place the saucepan back over the heat. Stir the mixture until it's combined. And heat it over low heat for 5 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside for now. And now we're gonna make the donut batter. These quantities will make 6 donuts, but if you want 12, just double this recipe. So in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, salt, and nutmeg, and whisk them together until they're well combined. And then set it aside for now. And then in a larger bowl, add the canola oil, sour cream, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. And then pour the batter into a plastic bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. And then cut off the corner of the bag. Then grease 2 donut pans with non-stick cooking spray, or just one if you're only using a single batch. And then pipe the batter into the pans. And then bake them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once they're done, remove them from the oven, let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, and then transfer to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the cinnamon glaze. Then to make the cinnamon glaze, in a small bowl, add the powdered sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and milk, and mix them together until they're combined. And add in a little bit more milk if you want a runnier glaze. Keep the glaze wrapped in plastic wrap until you're ready to use it so it doesn't get crusty. Once the donuts have cooled completely, move them onto a plate. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. And then place the cooling rack on top. And then dip the tops of each of the donuts into the glaze, and then place them onto the cooling rack. And keep doing that for the rest of the donuts. Then sprinkle the crumb topping on top of the donuts. And then pick them up and shake them to get the excess crumb topping off. And then finish them off by sprinkling some powdered sugar on top. And that's how to make crumb cake donuts. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.